Video we are going to show you how to remove the radio CD player from a 2009 Toyota Avalon, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is just this blue dashboard removal tool plus the size 10mm socket. The removal is very simple. The first thing you do, you just pop out the cover around the ignition switch. We already made everything loose by the way, but this one just pops out. And the next thing you do is just pop out the AC control and the vent assembly around the radio. You just pop this one out. It doesn't have any screws. Be careful when you remove this one. It has one plug on the driver's side which you can disconnect here, and there is another plug on the passenger side. You don't need to remove that one, you can just leave it on the side, but make sure you put the cloth or something so it won't damage your dashboard. And then once you put it on the side, you can just turn it clockwise and put it on the side, counterclockwise, put it on the side. And here is the radio. It has 4 screws, actually 4 bolts. It's a size 10mm. Once you get these 4 bolts out, you can remove the radio and the CD changer. And if you need any repair for the radio CD changer, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.